I guess what's happening. Why is my Gmail account offline on my Mac? Your Gmail account shows as offline on your Mac, often in the Mail app, due to internet issues, probably incorrect mail settings on your Mac, right? If you logged in using your Mail account, the iPhone Mail account, maybe account status inside or password, VPN interference, outdated software, or server side problems from Gmail. With solutions involving checking connections, right, as we mentioned before, enabling online status in Mail in your iPhone, or updating Mac OS, right? You're gonna go ahead to the Apple logo and check if your Mac needs to be updated, right? Or Mail too. I mean, in the sense that you need to update also your phone. Reset your account if you forgot your password, or if there is password issues, or used a password if two-factor authentication is on. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.